I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD.
For more yummy videos, subscribe and click the notification button next to the subscribe button.
Usually, I cook sweets in desserts because I really love sweet things. But today, I make something different. I made my favorite dish, Butter Paneer. Regularly, my mom makes it at home. My whole family loves it super much. It's really tasty. So today I'm going to make the easy version of restaurant style butter paneer. So let's get started. Okay, butter, cumin seeds, crushed ginger garlic chili powder, tomato juice, salt, sugar, garam masala, paneer and fresh cream. Dried fenugreek leaves crushed. First, in a saucepan, in medium heat, add butter, let it heat up. Splutter cumin seeds. Next, add crushed ginger garlic. Saute. Reduce the heat and add chili powder. Chili powder, make sure you don't let it burn. Saute. Add tomato juice. Increase the heat. Usually the recipe calls for tomato puree. You have to blanch the tomato and then peel off the skin and make it into a puree. But then I'm using tomato juice. You just need to cut the tomato and juice it in the blender. It's that simple and makes your butter paneer super tasty. So now, next add salt, sugar, and garam masala. Next, I have cooked this for around 4 to 5 minutes. Next, let's have the star of the recipe, paneer. Make sure to buy the very fresh paneer. I'm using Bikash Babu's paneer. It's very soft and melts in the mouth. I love it as it is. Now mix it softly so the paneer doesn't break. Paneer's English name is cottage cheese. That's a fun fact. And I think everyone knows it. The paneer is cooked. Next is add the fresh cream. leaves. Crush them to bring out the flavor. Butter paneer is ready. Now let's serve. So yummy, so soft, the paneer. This is excellent. The easy version of restaurant style butter paneer is ready. Do try this at your home. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow, and Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye.